Northeastern North Carolina's Albemarle-Pamlico region is the home to one of the nation's largest wetland restoration projects, currently underway at Pocosin Lakes National Wildlife Refuge. In Tyrrell County, where we like to say that business is in our nature, we live and die by ecotourism, and we invite and welcome visitors to come and enjoy the unique Pocosin wetland habitat and the magnificent wildlife that it supports.
"30 years ago, the Conservation Fund, with the financial assistance of the Richard King Mellon Foundation, outbid a Japanese company and acquired about 90,000 acres in eastern North Carolina. We conveyed the property to the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service and helped establish what is now the Pocosin Lakes National Wildlife Refuge. The fund acquired this property to protect the rare Pocosin habitats and the habitats that support thousands and thousands of migratory waterfowl, bear, and other wildlife.
The Fish and Wildlife Service appreciates our numerous state and conservation partners and their involvement in restoration efforts on the refuge. We are so grateful for the funding and the direct, on-the-ground support of our partners.
From marsh rabbits to black bears, many of North Carolina's native species depend on the vast habitat that functioning Pocosin provides.
Restoration of Pocosin wetlands not only serves to improve habitat conditions for a multitude of species, from Atlantic white cedar and rare pitcher plants to neotropical migratory birds and black bears, but also results in a number of co-benefits for neighboring communities and beyond. Restored Pocosins more readily absorb rainfall and reduce downgradient flooding and nutrient enrichment. They also are less susceptible to catastrophic wildfire, thus sustaining air quality of the region. The benefits to people are inextricably bound to the restoration of Pocosin wetlands.
The successful Pocosin restoration has so many benefits for our environment, our communities, and for our future generations. As I learned when I visited Pocosin Lakes, this unique ecosystem improves water quality and reduces coastal flooding risk even as it fights climate change by storing carbon and serving as a natural protection against sea level rise. DEQ is so proud to be part of the effort to restore these Pocosins for North Carolina.
The hydrology restoration accomplished at Pocosin Lakes National Wildlife Refuge is a great example of how federal, state, and private partners work together to achieve on-the-ground conservation for one of the nation's most unique habitats. When collaborating as trusted partners and good neighbors, there's no limits to what we can accomplish for fish, wildlife, and people. Thank you, and keep up the great work.